chicos, vamos a hacer el experimento número 2. As you can see, we have this tray, we have the plate of a pot, and we are going to flip it this way. Let's put it right here inside, and we are going to put water. Let's see. Okay, now we are going to put a bunch of las semillas de rábano. Okay, going to put it on top of the plate. Let's spread them out. Right. We're putting the lid on top of it. And let's see what happened con el experimento número 2. I want you to write down in a paper or in a notebook 2 hypotheses. Número 1, what this experiment shows. What do you think we are going to learn with this? Write it down. Número 2, what do you think is going to happen? What do you see happening in this experiment in a couple of days? I'm going to send you pictures on Monday, and I want you to write down this so we can check what did you think today and what are you going to see on Monday.